Hi, this is a video of me and my homemade router. We're going to cut a gear that I found on the internet. First thing we do is we look for our code, our G code we want to load. We'll load it up. We hit sim to kind of go through and simulate the cut and make sure that whatever we're going to cut isn't too big. Next thing we want to do is mount the master tool in the tool set. And the master tool is what every other tool is offsets measured by. So we type in T250 M6 and the router is going to cruise over to our tool change position. I've already got the master tool loaded, so I don't have to get up and do a tool change for that one. Oh, it's waiting for remount tool and spindle. We already did that. So it's going to automatically measure our master tool. Probably can avoid doing this, but I'm not sure how, but this seems to work every time. So it's going to go through, measure the master tool. And next thing we do is, once that's done, is we're going to go to the 0 position, which means we're going to 0 our router on the work. I've already gotten this somewhat close. Just to kind of speed things up, we're going to do it a little closer here. Oops. And get our master tool super close. And I know there's other ways to do this, but for a router, this is good enough. So we're at 0. We 0 our Z axis, and we are ready to run the program. So let's get started. I like to always keep my fans on. So we hit start. It's going to say the next tool we need is a 1/4 inch drill bit. So it's going to go into the tool change position.